Hello everyone, this is Mr. E and today's lesson is identifying the value that makes an equation true or finding the solution of an equation. So we're not dealing with expressions anymore, dealing with equations. So we have, for example, 4.5 times x equals 103.5. And we want to know what value of x will make this left side equal to the right side, or what value will make this equation true. So here we have the solution. We're asking ourselves, does 23 make the equation true? If we substitute 23 in for x, we do find that 103.5 is the answer. So that means that the value x equals 23 makes the equation true. Well, on the other hand, if we say x is 17, we substitute 17 in the equation, and we find that it does not make it true. So x equals 17 is not a solution. All right, so anytime someone asks you to find a solution to an equation, what they're basically asking you for is what number or what value for the variable will make the equation true, or in other words, will make the left side equivalent to the right side. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So again, in previous units, we learned about writing and evaluating algebraic expressions. For example, 2 times some number m minus 3. In this unit, we will learn about solutions of algebraic equations. 2 times some number m minus 3, or the product of 2 and m minus 3 equal to 17. So we have no equal sign and no equal sign. Basically the difference between an expression and equation. So in Unit 2, we asked the question, I wonder how much money I can make for different number of clicks on my Instagram ad. If you remember that, we had algebraic expression, 450 times some number x. We just kind of plug some numbers in, and we figured out how much profit we'd make. Well, in this equation, we have to be a little bit more specific. We may ask the question, how many clicks do I need on my Instagram ad to make a specific amount of money? For example, how many Instagram clicks do I need to be able to make 235? So we're asking for a specific value of x, not just putting in different values of x. So let's go back to our example from the previous unit. It says your online store is going well. You are still earning an average of $4.50 each time a person clicks on your Instagram ad. Now you need a new desk for your office. The desk costs $103.50. And you ask yourself the question, is 17 ad clicks enough to buy the desk? So if I get if you get 17 ad clicks at $4.50 each, will that be enough money to buy your desk for $103.50? So we're going to use the equation 4.5x. 4.5 times some number x equals $103.50. And we're going to plug in number 17, and we see that that will only get us $76. So that means that 17 is not a solution. If I get 17 clicks, not enough money, didn't earn enough money to buy that desk. However, if I get 6 more clicks, that's 4.5 times 23. That would give me the $103.50 I need. Therefore, 23 sales, or clicks in this case, is the solution to my problem. Okay? So, definition. An equation is a statement that two mathematical expressions are equal. So remember, the difference between an equation and an expression is basically an equal sign. So for example, 4.5x is equal to some specific value. A solution of an equation is the value of the variable that makes the equation true. So again, in this case, 23 was our solution. 17 was not. As a matter of fact, 23 is the only solution to this problem. To determine if a given value is a solution of an equation, we substitute the value in the equation, do the calculation, and see if the left side equals the right side, or in other words, is it true for that value? All right, so we're exactly at 5 minutes. So we'll come back and we'll answer these questions when you come back, and then we'll move on and do some practice. Talk to you soon.